Hey, it's Dunja from the creative team here, and I will share some tags with you today. I'm using the craft tables cutting dies from Marianne Design, and I cut out these craft paper and leather pieces and the color matching wow powders. It is the orangeade of the Summer Scoop Trio. It's winged by Catherine Pooler and Gold Pearl. I've chosen the sentiment stamp from Stampin' Doors, and as always I use the anti-static powder tool, so the surface is clean, and then I stamp it with the embossing ink pad onto the leather. For the green one I will use the Gold Pearl. Um, it's one of my favorite pearl powders from Wow Embossing Powders. And on the purple piece of leather I'm using the Wink. It's inspired by Catherine Pooler, and the color matches perfect. And now I will use my heat tool to emboss it. And now for the orange one, I am using the orangeade from the brand new Trio Summer School. By the way, in this set you will find pink and yellow embossing powder too. This is the orangeade. Yes. Now the embossing is done, and I'm using the tacky glue to put the pieces together, the leather and the craft paper. And I think tacky glue from Collal it's the best adhesive for this, because it's good for leather, for wood, for paper, and some more. And then I will put these pieces of craft paper on the top of the tags, and I will fix them with an eyelet and my crocodile. That works very well. And yeah, if it's done you can decorate your cards, your tags. I've decided to apply some more sentiments to my tags, and I use the same stamps again and emboss them in white, it's the opaque white, on craft paper. And when the embossing is done, you can decorate your tags, and I've used some Christmas bells and some twine. You can see it in the close-ups. That's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you soon here on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.